Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Brought to you by our friends at Omni True Value Hardware, 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon. 631-756-1125 is the phone number. And with another round of accumulating snow headed for the New York, New Jersey, Long Island, Southern Connecticut area, as well as areas in south central, southeastern Pennsylvania, and the rest of New Jersey. Omni's got everything you need to get you through all this. That's what they look like from the outside. And they've got all the premium snow melt products, mag, ice pellets, and flakes, Omni Melt, and Petalo, which is considered the best among the snow melting community. And of course, they've got tons and tons and tons of rock salt available for you. So check out omnitruevalue.com, and they will probably be open during the snow event, although I haven't gotten confirmation of that. But as soon as I know, I will pass that information along to you. So let's set you up with regards to what's going to happen for the rest of today and for tonight and Saturday, and then we'll talk about Sunday. So we have a cold front that's moving on through. In fact, it's already pretty much passed, and the precipitation with this is done. We are seeing two areas of energy to watch, and one is in the western Gulf. You see all those clouds there. This is on the southern end of this frontal boundary, and that's where our Sunday system is going to be coming from. And we also have some northern energy that's coming down that is going to be involved in this, because it's that northern energy that picks this up and brings it up the eastern seaboard. But for as far as precipitation goes for the rest of the day, we had some rain and snow showers go by, so that's pretty much moved on out. This is a radar from earlier today. You can see the line moving right along. And again, the rest of this afternoon and into tonight and tomorrow, we have no issues. Now, WPC, on their latest update that was issued this morning, raised their precipitation amounts. The blue is 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of liquid. The darker green is 1/4 to 1/2, and the lighter blue is 3/4 of an inch to an inch of liquid. And you see how that lines up across central New Jersey, the northern border of that, to Long Island, down into Delaware and eastern Maryland, and then into Virginia, south of Washington, D.C. So it seems as if this has been creeping northward as each day has passed, and each model run that we've looked at. And I'm thinking that we're going to wind up with the numbers that I'm tossing into my head for much of the area from eastern PA to southern New England is the max bands will be in the 3 to 6, 4 to 8 range. This is a fast moving system. It lasts about 8 hours, and we're not anticipating it to go much longer than that. So that fast movement probably will limit the top side with regards to how much we could wind up with this. So we've got a couple of the new models already in today. The NAM model has been very consistent, had a little bit of a hiccup last night where it kind of reduced everything, but now it's gone right back to what it had yesterday. And this is at 4 a.m. on Sunday, with snow breaking out at that point in southern New Jersey, southern Pennsylvania, snowing in Maryland, northeast Virginia, and over Delaware. And then by 7 a.m., the leading edge of the snow has moved to eastern Long Island and into the lower Hudson Valley. There's going to be a sharp cutoff on the northern edge of this, so bear that in mind. Where the low tracks is going to be important here. There'll be a sharp cutoff with regards to no snow and no snow, between snow and no snow. And here's the track during the day tomorrow. The NAM and as well as the GFS and a few others showing a very rather amped up look here to the snow. The upper air conditions suggest that there'll probably be a band of moderate to heavy snow with this that'll last for a few hours in this area. And then by 1 p.m., the low is east of the New Jersey coast, south of Long Island. And after that, we start to see the snow end. It's starting to end in southeastern Pennsylvania. And then by 4 p.m., the back edge is just about to New York City. I think it may come in a little faster than this and then go out a little bit faster. So this is at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's already stopped in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Maryland, and Delaware. And after 4 o'clock, it will stop in Connecticut and Long Island. And the low moves out to the east, and weather conditions will improve. Now, just a quick look at the long range. for next week, since we seem to be fairly deep into a winter pattern, a lot of the snow lovers were waiting for this. Well, next week, looking at the GFS, I think we're basically just going to be cold and dry. There might be a little upper air disturbance coming through on Tuesday with a few snow showers with that, and then we'll probably be setting up for some kind of overrunning pattern late next week that could bring a significant amount of snow, sleet, and rain, depending on how this sets up. So that's going to be the next thing that we're going to watch with regards to this particular event. This is my early call snow forecast map that I put out yesterday. So right now, I just kind of, this is sort of a vague early look, and it's intended to be that way because I don't really think uh, most forecasters aren't apt or able to come out with specific numbers 3, 4, 5 days in advance. So this is just kind of a broad look, and I have the line of 4 inches. Or the leading edge of 4 inches. You can see how that line runs from south central PA, south of Harrisburg to Reading to south of Allentown to just north of New York City to about Bridgeport. So the best chances for 4+, I think, are going to be more for the coast than inland, and you can see the sharper cutoff that occurs to the north. Tomorrow, I'll be putting out my final call. Again, I'm toying with the idea of 3 to 6, 3 to 6, 4 to 8 type range through all of this. And we'll see if we have to pull the northern edge a little bit further north or tuck it in a little bit further south. But this is how I see it at the moment. Weather in 5 brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware, 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, 6317-561125, serving the entire tri-state area with everything you need to get through these winter storms. They have the best prices in town. They have tons of rock salt. They have all the snow melt products. So give them a shout. OmniTrueValueHardware.com is the website. We'll have the Joe and Joe show tonight at 7:30. So we'll have all the afternoon model runs, and we'll see if we can figure out how this is all going to play out for Sunday. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of your Friday, and we'll see you later.